This promotion tonight goes out to, well, guess it, Blazing Glory Fireworks with the Cherry Pie 200 grammer 7-shot. Now, let's see if it says a description on it. Shoots flaming balls with report, probably. Shoots flaming balls, no report. Warning, fall performance. Red and white strobe. We got the safe box again by Redbeard Showcase. Thank you, Redbeard. But, you know, this makes shit a lot easier and a lot safer, especially if you got loved ones. Let's pop this bad girl off. Cherry pie. Cherry pie. Cherry pie bangs, bud. The first one was a little low break, I will say that, but after that, it knocked, bro. It knocked for a 200 grammer. I'm getting some of those too. Keep it up, flashing fireworks. Keep it up, Mark. Keep it up, man. Blazing Glory Fireworks. You guys are excellent.